you can start from zero. Many people believe that SAP careers are only accessible to those with technical backgrounds or IT degrees, but that couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is that SAP offers a broad ecosystem of career opportunities that welcome people from finance, supply chain, logistics, HR, business, and even non-corporate backgrounds. Whether you're a fresh graduate, a professional looking to switch careers, or someone who has never worked in enterprise software before, this roadmap is designed for you. We'll walk through the full SAP career path, from being a complete beginner to becoming a highly respected SAP expert. This video will show you what steps to take at every career stage, what skills, tools, and certifications you need, how to grow your expertise, reputation, and income. You'll also get real-world advice to stay focused, motivated, and intentional about your career growth in 2025 and beyond. Let's begin your SAP journey from zero to expert. Stage 1. SAP Newbie, 0 to 3 months. Goal: understand SAP basics and choose a direction. This is your entry point into the SAP universe. As a newbie, your focus should be on gaining awareness and clarity about what SAP is, how it works, and where you might fit into its ecosystem. Learn the fundamentals of SAP. Understand the concept of ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, the role of integrated business processes, and how companies use SAP for finance, logistics, HR, and more. Research different SAP modules. Each one solves business problems in a different domain. FI for finance, MM for materials, SD for sales, HCM for HR, and so on. Watch YouTube explainer videos and SAP product demos. Read blog posts and introductory PDFs. Engage in free learning platforms like OpenSAP. Begin to think about your ideal role. Do you prefer working with people and processes, functional path, or systems and development, technical path? Tools to explore: SAP GUI and its basic interface transaction codes, T-codes and their role in daily operations, basic navigation through SAP modules. Mindset: think of this phase as your exploration zone. It's about discovery, not perfection. Keep a learning journal and reflect on what interests you the most. Third stage 2. SAP Learner, 3 to 6 months. Goal: build foundational knowledge in one module plus hands-on exposure. Now that you have a basic idea of SAP, it's time to choose a path and dive deeper. Pick one module to focus on, based on your background or interest. Enroll in beginner-friendly SAP courses. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, and Coursera offer solid overviews. Study the real-life business processes related to your module. For example, if you choose SAP MM, learn about procurement and inventory workflows in companies. Get access to SAP learning environments or simulation tools, IDEs, SAP Learning Hub, or free cloud-based access. Start your own documentation. Take screenshots, write process notes, and track every T-code you explore. Deliverables: a mini portfolio showcasing your learning journey, Notion page, PDF guide, or PowerPoint presentation, basic process maps or flowcharts, social proof. Start engaging on LinkedIn by sharing what you're learning. Mindset: you're building momentum. Focus on understanding workflows, terminology, and applying concepts through repetition. Fourth stage 3. Junior SAP Professional, 6 to 18 months. Goal: get your first real SAP job and gain practical experience. This is the transition from learner to practitioner. You now have basic knowledge, and it's time to convert that into real-world action. Refine your resume to reflect SAP-focused skills, tools, and the module you've been studying. Use job-relevant keywords, Apply for internships, trainee programs, or support roles. These are your stepping stones into consulting. Showcase your portfolio in interviews. Talk confidently about what you've learned, the mock projects you've built, and why you're committed to SAP. Join virtual SAP events, career fairs, and community webinars. They help you understand trends and network with hiring managers. Titles to target: SAP Intern, Trainee, SAP End User Support, Junior Functional Consultant, Junior ABAP Developer if you chose technical path. Mindset: break in by proving your curiosity and initiative. Companies hire potential, so be visible, be bold, and be ready to learn. Fifth stage 4, mid-level SAP consultant, 1.5 to 4 years. Goal: specialize in your domain and deliver business results. This is where things get real. You're no longer just helping others, you're owning processes, designing configurations, and delivering tangible value. Deepen your knowledge of your primary module. Understand how it integrates with others, e.g. FI with MM or SD with WM. Take ownership of deliverables in projects. Fit gap analysis, blueprinting, testing, go-live support. Consider earning official SAP certifications. They add credibility and can boost your job prospects. Collaborate with other consultants and developers to understand cross-functional flows. Opportunities: lead substreams within projects, mentor interns or junior consultants, suggest process improvements based on your experience. Mindset: you're becoming a trusted advisor. Deliver clean, efficient solutions and communicate like a leader. Stage 5, senior SAP expert/architect, 5+ years goal. Become a strategic partner or technical leader. By now, you're operating at a high level, solving big problems and making strategic decisions. Manage full-cycle implementations across multiple countries or business units. Lead workshops, solution designs, and client strategy meetings. Act as the integration expert between modules and systems, SAP and non-SAP. Get involved in budget planning, roadmap design, and transformation initiatives. Advanced roles: senior SAP consultant, functional or technical, SAP solution architect, SAP project manager, freelance consultant or advisor. Earning potential: salaries range from $100,000 to $180,000+ depending on geography. Freelance consultants in the EU may earn 500 to 900 euros per day. Mindset: be strategic. Focus on scalable high-value outcomes. Mentor others and drive innovation. 7. Bonus: alternate paths and long-term options. SAP careers are flexible. You can pivot, shift, or blend roles based on your interests. Here are some common long-term options. SAP trainer or educator. Create learning content, teach on platforms, or run corporate training programs. SAP product owner. Work with internal teams to evolve company SAP usage based on user needs. Pre-sales consultant, solution advisor. Support sales teams with demos and solution planning. SAP PM or delivery lead. Oversee timelines, deliverables, and stakeholder communication. SAP evangelist. Share thought leadership, attend conferences, and advocate for SAP products and methodologies. These roles require deep SAP knowledge, but also communication, leadership, and business sense. 8. Final tips. Plus, resources: be patient. Career growth in SAP is a journey with seasons. Learn, build, grow. Don't compare your timeline with others. Focus on consistency and continuous improvement. Create a digital presence. Document your progress, ask questions, and share insights on platforms like LinkedIn. Invest in depth over speed. Mastering one area unlocks more doors than knowing many halfway. Surround yourself with mentors, peers, and online communities. Download your free SAP Career Starter Kit. Subscribe for practical weekly SAP content on SAP Fi Academy. Drop your current background in the comments, and I'll recommend your ideal starting module. Thanks for watching. Your SAP journey starts now.